Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Winter Plants, and today I will let you know how I grew my own peas. I soaked the peas, good quality seeds, overnight and sowed them in seedling trays of LED lights. In winters, they are very helpful in growing the seedlings faster. So what you can do, you can make single hole and insert the seeds inside the soil, water them, and then you can cover it with the cover of LED light. I do this usually at nights in winters. Something like this. It's very beneficial and helpful to grow the seeds faster. And during daytime, whenever there is sun over there, I try to keep them in indirect sunlight spot, and see within a week to 10 days the seed has started growing. It is growing so well. Now look at this. After a month, the seedling has grown so big. Do you see behind? The roots have grown so beautifully. So this is how you can grow your seedlings in winters. Next, I transplanted the seedlings into the planters, which is in my small balcony. Use well-draining, loose soil rich in compost. Keep at least 2 to 3 inches spacing between every seedling so that it gets enough space to grow. 4 to 6 hours of sunlight is ideal. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Avoid overwatering. Peas hate wet fields. Peas are natural climbers. They have tiny curling tendrils, so give them support in the form of trellis or bamboo stick. I have used this back support of the strings. Peas usually start flowering in 30 to 35 days from sowing, and you can harvest the peas within 40 to 45 days. So try growing peas, it's very simple and easy.